Hello everyone, welcome to the new YouTube channel, day 60. This is the 31st of October. I did miss a day because of technical difficulties and also because it's my fault. I accept responsibility, but to keep the chain going, this is day 60 days, 60 videos. The 29th of October is the day that I am discussing. So I was setting up a virtual assistant for the solar business on this day. I did the Remote Wellness Academy Training 2. We were lesson number 2 in Module 4, where we're getting ready for our practice sessions. I did the exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 5-minute jog, and then I tackled my emails. So the VA setup was a lot. There's a lot of work, a lot of back and forth, coordinating, getting everything together with that, and getting that set up. So that was my day mostly for Saturday, the 29th of October, 2022, day 60 of this series. So thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. Love to hear from you. Thanks.